Hi, good morning, all. This is SK. I hope you're all doing great. I'm starting a great day. Yesterday was my daughter's birthday. She turned 5. We had a lot of fun. And I got so many messages that last year I wanted to start on January 29th, and this year I'm starting on January 29th as well. Because I got a very great gift from God. That's my daughter, so I'm blessed with her. So I just wanted to gift her this thing. Okay, guys. So let's see where we are. As you all know, let's do recap about my method, what I do, how I trade, what I think in the morning. I look at a 4-hour chart every day. There you go. Every day in the morning, 8 o'clock, I'm ready, showered, all ready, sitting in front of my screens, looking at 4-hour chart and deciding what I have to do. I do have some other scanners. I do have some other things which I look at, gapping up, gapping low, or something like that. But those who are concentrating on Emini, this is the first thing we will be looking at. This is something what I look at. So this is, we gap down on a kind of a volume. Volume is not very heavy, but we gap down. This is a red zone here. Red zone is something where we do not trade. Blue lines, you all remember. Blue lines are something which are the major targets what we normally look at in our trading, in our day trading. Right now over here, I'm very bearish. We need to test this blue line. What is this blue line, guys? This blue line is a breakout, and most cases breakouts get tested. So when the bull's gonna test this breakout, they're gonna buy here, and then we're gonna see the next leg up. Right now it's bearish. If I have to trade, if I am trading today, what I will be doing, I will be shorting the hell out of it. Stop 2, 3, 4 points high there so that it goes up and make a double top or something like that, and we see a next flush. High priority, yes, we are short. Higher priority, we are short. Do not buy here as a dip buy or something. It's gonna go down, and then it's gonna look like a panic mode. We can see some kind of a sell-off. If you're a long-term buyer, let's say you're a value investor, you're looking for something to hold for few months, you can buy, then you're always long. But we are looking at how we can make money today and tomorrow if we have to hold our position. So what I'm looking at here is short. We are not buying. This is a red zone, guys, like 2276 to 2275 ish. This one point here is a no zone. So I would say if we sell at open we might see some kind of a bounce. We see any bounce, I will be shorting that bounce. Any bounce I will be shorting. If I can trade 10 contracts, I will be shorting 3 or 4. If I can short 2 contracts, I'll short 1, and I'll wait for here to give me in 90s and short 1 again. Because most of the guys, I got an email and messages that they can only trade 1 or 2 contracts. So for you, it's a short. For 1 contract, I need to explain very thoroughly, which I cannot explain in the morning videos. But for 2 contracts, if you can trade short at any bounce with the stop 5 or 3 points higher here and scale higher one, and you're gonna be profitable. That's what in my opinion. So right now let's look at a daily chart. Daily chart is very, we need to test this, guys. We have to test this. Once we test this, we can go back. We can go back and we can go 2400. We have to look 2400 in a longer picture. We are day traders. We are swing traders. We are traders who hold our position for 1 to 3 days. For us right now, every bounce should be shorted. That's the setup. That's what is the higher probability trade. Let's look at the monthly, and it's January 30th. Month is ending. So if month end a little bit around, let me see, 69 was, 69, let's see this one thing. 2270 71 is somewhere like the last month ended. The last month was high. So right now we are trading around 82. So I think we are going down. Like, this is a very, very, very high probability trade. We are going down. Next month we can start, and if we break this trend line and we started, we can see a pullback, which we can again test 2190. This might look unreal, but this is real. And this line here, this purple line, we have it. If you have seen my videos from last year, I have this line for over 2-3 years right now. This line is just being there because we have to test this. This is, but let's not discuss about this as of now. For now, as a day trader, any bounce we are shorting. Any bounce I am shorting. Let's go to the 4-hour again. This was a trading range, and we had a breakout here, guys. Any breakout when happens, it needs to be tested. We can see a bounce here. We can stay a bounce here because we don't have enough volume. If we trade it around here, we will be shorting. I will be shorting here to test one bounce lower. We might test this breakout point. We might test. I think we have to test this very soon. We can test it today or tomorrow, before the month ends. And we test this, and next month we trade above this trend line, and slowly and steadily we gonna go for our 2400 target, which is this guy. So eventually I am long for 2400, but right now we need some rest. We need to test this trend line, and I'm not a political guy. Mr. Trump is it's a roller coaster ride for news and all that stuff. So market gonna be volatile. Market doesn't know that where the direction is going, what we're gonna be doing. So it's like more of a big investors are right now stuck in a limbo, that like what next executive decision he gonna take, and how it can affect the market and the world and the trade and whatnot. So I'm not a political guy, I'm a trader. For me, it's very important what he's doing right now, because I need to see where the volatility is. Right now we are at 11, I think. VIX is about 11 something. So as of now, bearish. As of now, we need to test this. Bearish, not in a bigger picture. We are not bearish for 100, 200 points. We are bearish for today and tomorrow. To make some day trading, today and tomorrow we are bearish. I am bearish. I need to sell the bounce. Any bounce here, I'll be shorting so that we can test 3 to 4 points lower, which is 76-ish. So we have 4-point loop here. So 2 point, 3 point, take it. We need to see a very strong bull candle with volume to explode to all-time high. As of now, no all-time high coming, at least today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. Let's short this guy. I'm shorting. I hope you guys are shorting. This is not a buy. So let me do one thing very quick. This is very, very bearish. We have not tested this. We have to fill up the gap here. So this is very bearish. This is very, very bearish. We need to test this guy. We need to test this, and we can stall here, and then we go final leg down. We test 69-ish and then bounce. Yeah, I'm short, guys. I might be taking position right now again, and I'm very short. I'm very, very, very short. So any bounce at the open, I will be dumping my money in. So let's see where we go. Good luck, everybody. Let's make some money. It's something. I'm starting this educational service. I'm not a penny stock guy. I'm not a guy who is promising you. I'm not showing you off my Lamborghinis. I don't have one, but I'm not showing off nothing. I'm just a father, husband, and I'm a day trader, swing trader, and making very, very good money for my family. I can promise you. What I know, I'm gonna share everything, but I'm not here. I make so good money trading that I don't need to teach false. This newsletter business is over $5 million business, so a monthly. So I don't want to become one of the other gurus or something. I'm not a guru. I'm an educator. I'm sharing my knowledge with you guys as friends, and I do have a fees now about $49, which we'll be having from next month or following. Let's say that fees is to be taken care of all the extra stuff which I'm adding to my trading, and there gonna be some website fees and this and that. So most of the money in that we will be doing draws, meaning all the subscribers, we will be picking up a draw, and whatever money we make, portion of it, that money will be going to the real person sitting with our room, sitting in our room and taking that money. I don't want to make this money. God has been very kind. I don't want to make any money from false promises. So what I know, I'm gonna teach everything. Let's do great. This can retire you in your 20s, in your 30s, in your 40s. Let's focus on learning. This is something like day one when you drove a car. You were nervous, right? You were like, oh my God, what I'm gonna do? But now you can drive a car with that with Starbucks in your one hand. On the other hand, you have a cell phone, doing your meeting, talking to your daughter, to your wife, to your girlfriend, to your mom, and paddling. Like it's now it's a skill. Now you have taken it to a different level. So trading is the same way. It's driving the first day and you're nervous, but this skill going to get so perfect. It's going to be like while you are having fun, while you are having vacation with your family, this platform will be making money for you. Let's focus. Good luck, guys. See you in the evening with the recap video. Every bounce I will be shorting. I'm so dumb. I don't know what these things are. Okay, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.